I'm going to relocate the GPS antenna so it works a little better. So you do not have to take off every single screw underneath here. You only take the ones off that are actually holding the dash on. You'll see there's two separate screws that hold the trim. Done. Moving right along. Still going. You don't realize how big these cars are. You start crawling all over them. I mean, I'm not super tall, but okay, that's done. This one, usually have to kind of push the dash to get. Last one. Okay. Oh. Not quite. Two more. Maybe four. Let's see. Now one more. Okay. Let's do this. Now here. Okay, let's release it. Okay, now that we've pretty much got everything done here, we're going to put the dash back on. Got the light sensor reinstalled, got all the wiring cleaned up here, added some more insulation in around the radio to get rid of a little bit more of the vibration, which should be, we shouldn't have any more with the improvements that I've made. So anyways, just give me a moment. I'll be back with the dash. Sorry about that. Trying to get y'all. The dash set now. Got everything lined up. Just got to put the screws back in. Y'all don't need to see all that. Anyways, there she is. Everything's all back together. Just got to put some screws into the dash, and then we're done. Let's see, what have we accomplished here? Oh yeah, I got all the dash lights replaced. Did some more insulation around the stereo to get rid of any kind of creaking and vibration. I've repaired the automatic headlamps now, so that's a modern day feature that we enjoy in our cars today. They had it 40 years ago, and that is working again. There's a good little picture of the engine. See, it's a beast. Runs really good. Anyways, that's it for this one. I am out.